is Dr. J.B. Janardana, Head of the Department of Languages, Dr. NSAM First Grade College, Bengaluru 89. And our college is affiliated to Bengaluru City University. So in this program, that is BCom, BBA and BHM, the subject Language English, semester first. And we are in session 11th. As you know that the title of the lesson is Acceptance and written by Bhaswar Mukherjee. This deals with transgender. Let's see these learning objectives. The learning objectives of the session are to sensitize the learners about the gender discrimination that prevails in our society. Other objectives are to bring awareness about LGBT, to teach the young learners empathy towards the transgender, to create awareness about LGBT community, to include it in the mainstream and the challenges faced by the community in the society. So, and we'll see the session outcomes. To understand the story through the approach to the text questions, the imaginative faculty of the learners will be expanded, visualizing the story in the given context, the comprehending the story in a nutshell manner, and recalling the theme. Next, through mapping of the session of the story, all the characters are shown here. Some characters' feelings, namely Ashoke and his mother Savitri, in the beginning of the story about Santoshi, how they underwent change in their attitude towards Santoshi. Subsequently, of course, with the interference of Rama, how Santoshi is employed as maid at the end of the story. Now, introduction of the theme. The main themes of the story, acceptance, are introduced here, namely sad plight of transgender and apathy of the society towards them. Some techniques are used here. Through metaphor, Jellikattu, the writer tries to picture or portray the prevailing scene between the couple, that too when both of them are working. In the course of time, the writer portrays the middle class family wherein they have to take care of kids as well as elderly people like in-laws. Mukherjee gives a glimpse of the bickering and quarrels not only between couple but also between mother-in-law and daughter-in-law. So the plight of transgender and reconciliation. The plight of transgender through the character of Santoshi is well brought out, and what kind of problems she faces to get the job of maid also. Here the writer, through the characters of Ashoke and Savitri, tries to give a glimpse of Indian society. Rama, a typical educated lady and humanitarian, initially got scared of Santoshi, but by the end of the story, she came to terms with and influenced her husband to employ Santoshi as maid. The child's mentality, that is Vijay's, is also brought out very well here. Unlike the elderly people, the children do not have prejudices against the transgender and easily accepted Santoshi unequivocally at the end of the story. Now, session summary, like objectives, session outcomes, mapping the content, and introduction. So, references or refer Judith Butler's Gender Trouble and watch Kannada film Nanu Avanalla Avadu. Thank you, students.